our nearest planetary neighbor, is so radically different from Earth? As we embark on this exploration, let's delve into the enigma that is Venus. This celestial body, second from the Sun, is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to their similar sizes. Yet, the likeness ends there. Venus, named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, is anything but a paradise. It is characterized by a dense, toxic atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen. This thick cover of gases contributes to an extreme greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface temperatures on Venus are enough to melt lead, averaging around 870 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. But the extremities don't just end at temperature. Venus also boasts the highest surface pressure of any planet in our solar system, a whopping 92 times that of Earth. This pressure is equivalent to being 1 kilometer deep in Earth's oceans. Imagine, if you will, the immense weight of water above you at such a depth. This gives a glimpse of the harsh conditions on Venus, making it one of the most hostile environments in our solar system. Yet despite the inhospitable conditions, Venus continues to intrigue us. Its brilliant yellow-white light shines brightly in our skies, often visible to the naked eye, earning it the nickname the morning star or the evening star. However, underneath this captivating glow lies an environment that is drastically different from our own. An atmosphere cloaked in thick sulfuric acid clouds, a terrain marked by extensive volcanoes and deformed mountains, and a day that lasts longer than a Venusian year. Despite being Earth's closest neighbor, the conditions on Venus are far from hospitable. But why is that? To answer that question, we must delve deeper into the mysteries of Venus, exploring the factors that have shaped this enigmatic world. As we journey through the cosmos, remember, Venus, though enigmatic, is a crucial part of our understanding of the universe and our place within it. A key to understanding Venus lies in its atmosphere, a case of the greenhouse effect gone wild. The greenhouse effect, in essence, is a natural process that warms a planet's surface. It involves gases in the atmosphere trapping the sun's heat, much like the glass of a greenhouse does. On Venus, this effect is on steroids. This planet, our celestial neighbor, boasts an incredibly dense atmosphere composed largely of carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas. This thick, heavy blanket of gas does a phenomenal job of trapping heat from the sun. So effective, in fact, that the surface temperatures on Venus are hot enough to melt lead. We're talking about temperatures that exceed 860 degrees Fahrenheit or around 460 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, which is even closer to the Sun. What's more, Venus's atmosphere is so dense that it exerts a pressure equivalent to being about half a mile or 800 meters underwater on Earth. This high-pressure, high-temperature environment is a testament to the power of the greenhouse effect when left unchecked. Now, let's bring it back home. The Earth, too, experiences the greenhouse effect. It's what makes life on our blue planet possible, keeping us at a comfortable average temperature. But as we pump more and more greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide into our atmosphere, we intensify this effect. The result? Global warming, climate change, and a host of environmental challenges. The situation on Venus provides a potent example of what could happen if greenhouse gases are left unchecked. It's like looking into a crystal ball showing a potential future, one that we would do well to avoid. Venus, with its lead-melting temperatures and crushing atmospheric pressure, stands as a stark reminder of the potential dangers of unchecked greenhouse gases. Let's take this lesson from our planetary neighbor to heart and strive to protect our own precious Earth. Exploring Venus poses unique challenges, but it also offers unique opportunities. Venus, often described as Earth's evil twin, is a world of extremes. Its atmosphere is a thick, toxic blend of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, and its surface temperatures can reach a scorching 467 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. In the past, several missions have braved these hellish conditions. Soviet Venera probes in the 70s and 80s were the first to land on Venus. But they lasted no more than a couple of hours before succumbing to the intense heat and pressure. Despite their short lifespans, These missions returned the first images of Venus's surface and revealed a world of volcanic plains and mountain ranges. The European Space Agency's Venus Express orbiter, which operated from 2006 to 2014, studied the planet's atmosphere in detail, discovering evidence of past water and a mysterious layer of sulfur dioxide. NASA's Magellan mission in the 90s mapped almost the entire surface of Venus using radar, unveiling a world of volcanic activity and tectonic-like processes. All these missions have provided valuable insights, but they have also underscored the difficulties of exploring Venus. Its extreme conditions pose significant challenges to spacecraft design and operation, yet the allure of Venus remains. Future missions aim to delve deeper into Venus's secrets. NASA's Veritas and Da Vinci Plus missions, due for launch in the late 2020s, will investigate the planet's geological history and the composition of its atmosphere. The European Space Agency's Envision mission, slated for a 2031 launch, will study Venus's geological activity and its interaction with the atmosphere. These missions hope to answer fundamental questions about Venus. Did it once harbor liquid water and possibly life? What caused its dramatic transformation into the inhospitable world we see today? Despite the hurdles, the quest to unravel Venus's mysteries continues, and each mission brings us a step closer to understanding our enigmatic neighbor, and perhaps, in the process, learning more about our own planet's future. Venus, a planet of extreme conditions, continues to fascinate us. This celestial neighbor, bathed in a veil of dense toxic clouds, is a playground for our curiosity and our quest for knowledge. But why? What about Venus captivates scientists and space enthusiasts alike? The answer lies in its potential to shed light on the mysteries of planetary evolution. Venus, similar to Earth in size, composition, and proximity to the Sun, took a drastically different path. Its runaway greenhouse effect, leading to surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, offers us a window into a possible future of our own planet if we don't curb our greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, the secrets that Venus hides beneath its thick cloud cover could provide clues to the existence of life in extreme conditions. It's a tantalizing prospect that fuels our fascination. Venus, as inhospitable as it may be, holds valuable lessons for us here on Earth.